It's Saturday, day 22, April 9th. Half my sleeping bag is soaking wet because it was up against this that had 6 inches of snow on it, and my breath must have been condensating, so half my bag is wet. There's no way to dry it in this tropical rainforest of a shithole. Everybody's already up in the shelter, giggling and laughing and looking forward to today's hike. I don't know how they're going to do it with 6 inches of snow on the ground. I'm facing staying here with a bad back, and my knee hurts just laying here, or putting baggies on all my feet and hands and just getting the fuck out of here because this fucking blows. Gatlinburg's 25 miles away. There's no way I'm making that through Klingeman's Dome, the highest point in the Appalachian Trail. I'm going to be half freezing to death before I get out of my tent. I don't know if I should just lay in bed for another 24 hours or move to the shelter and just sit there like an idiot for fucking 24 hours. I don't know what I'm doing. I guess it's move on or die. Or move on and die. So I talked to a ridge runner this morning after almost everybody had left. The other people that are staying in a tent decided to stay the day in the same shelter. They're getting, or at least the same tent. They're not going out in this. Everybody else, almost everybody else, had left for the next destination. All happy and cheery. I don't get it. I guess they have better clothes than me. Plus, they've been sleeping in shelters. I think wrapping up my tent for 2 hours that was half frozen, half wet, and half icy. That's 3 halves. And my footprint was wet and frozen. And my sleeping bag's damp and all wrapped up and compressed now. So I almost got off the trail. I talked to the ridge runner. He said there was a trail back there that I could have gone 10 miles into a campsite and gotten a lift into town. But I looked down the trail and it wasn't marked and there was no footprints on it. So I was afraid I'd definitely die because I wouldn't know where the hell I was going. And it's not on far out, so there's no compass. He gave me a paper map, which was nice, but yeah. So I'm pushing on. I'm following these footprints. I haven't seen a trail marker in a while. You know, I'm not too cold. My hands are cold and my feet are cold, but I'm trying to warm up by walking. But I just don't like the nighttime freeze to death potential when everything's all wet. So yeah, hopefully the sun will come out a little. It's supposed to be just as cold tonight. It's supposed to start to warm up in town, I think, but then cold again. I don't know what the hell's going on because I don't have any service, but I gotta save my phone for 911. I don't think I have 7-4 in me, even got a late start. It's hard walking. My knee is killing me. A guy back at the shelter as I was pulling out, you know, he's trying to give me some tips on staying warm and keeping my confidence up. He goes, "Oh, you're hiking alone?" I'm like, "Yeah." He goes, That's demoralizing. No shit.
Don't burn yourself up here. Maybe one day I look back on this and think,
Lifesaver here.